You know what, John? I've talked to him a little bit.
Yeah.
He's a 50-50 guy. He's done it once, and he hasn't done it. This is
All
the
right.
third time doing it. So I'm thinking that car is going to be
Ladies
on the
and
back
gentlemen,
trailer.
cheer
I think it's going to
him
make
on.
it.
Make some noise. Here he goes. Make some noise. Here he goes. Let's see if he can do it. Look out.
Oh, he almost did it. He almost did it. Wow.
How about that? Make some noise if you like that.
I'll tell you what, the trailer didn't break. It's still on the back. He's going to do a victory lap with that.
Woo.
You know what? I wonder, he
talked about never having that windshield crack from a car that he did. Did it crack? I can't tell as we come around here. I hear the trailer's got issues now, Eric. Oh, it's cracking.
a little. No crack in that windshield. Almost. You almost had it, Lauren. Suicidal Strayhorn.
Suicide Strayhorn. Give it up. Suicide Strayhorn. That was amazing. Give me back. I've heard you were 50-50 for this thing, for landing it and not landing it. Does this take skill? No. There you go. So when you pull on the track, what are you thinking? I'm building up as much speed as I can?
Well, I try not to think.
All right. Do you have any sponsors you want to thank for this machine here, Lauren?
Well, I'd like to really thank Rockford Speedway for letting me do this. And also for Rascals. Rascals.
Rockford Speedway, did you like the Venus flytrap? If you did, a lot of noise.
They loved it.